been carrying the weight of the day. All that pressure you never say. I see it in the way you breathe, like you're searching for somewhere to be. Standing still at the edge of doubt, testing love, trying to figure it out. You don't have to be brave with me, you don't have to pretend you're free. Just take one step, trust what you see, this could be easy. Come swim with me, the water is warm, so warm. I'll be your calm, when the world's too loud, lay your worries down in the tide. Let your stress drift out with the rise, let it go. You don't have to rush, no rush. You don't have to die, no need. Just flow right here, let your heart decide. No pressure, no fear, just honesty, just me. Come swim with me, come with me. Come swim with me, come with me. I won't promise you perfect days, but I'll promise you steady waves. If the current pulls you too deep, I'll be the rhythm that helps you breathe. Every moment we're moving slow, learning trust as the water flows. Let the surface hold your reflection, see yourself through my affection. I'll stay right here, I won't let go. You're safe to let it show. Come swim with me, the water is warm, so warm. I'll be your calm, when the world's too loud, lay your worries down in the tide. Let your stress drift out with the rise, let it go. You don't have to rush, no rush. You don't have to die, no need. Just flow right here, let your heart decide. No pressure, no fear, just honesty, just me. Come swim with me, come with me. Come swim with me, come with me. If the past still pulls at your feet, like waves that won't let you sleep, I won't rush you to let it go. We can move at the speed you know. Every scar learns how to heal when it's held by something real. I'm not asking for all your faith, just a moment, just some space. Let me give you the best of me, exactly as I can. Come swim with me, swim